What's up, guys? I want to start this out in the morning. It's nice and sunny out today, and it's also New Year's Eve. We are going to be heading out, and we are going to be driving the Subaru today. I haven't driven this car for quite a while, so all of your Subi guys out there, shout outs to you guys. You can load up this car and head out to my place, to the shop. Can't imagine how super cold it is right now, and this will be the last video of the year. Can't wait to plan things out. And today I guess I'm just gonna be talking about my plans, a lot more to look forward to next year, which is tomorrow. There are so many stuff that I've learned this year, and I just want to get things done, but you know, too many things that's going on, work, family at the same time too as well. So hope y'all can relate to that or can understand. And doing YouTube at the same time, it's really tough. It's like a job. It's like another job. So it's like full-time job, and got my part-time job at home, and then this is another job right here. So it's like, man, it's crazy. YouTubing is not easy, guys, but I'm gonna plan things out for this, and I'm gonna be talking about what I need to do to accomplish this coming up year's build. So let's look forward to that. Hope you guys are excited as I am. And as far as I know, I don't know if I ever told you guys or if you ever watched all my videos, I do have like a few parts that it's already ready, and I just need to put them on. But before that, I think I'm gonna do some pre-fittings and stuff. I do want to do some body works already on the car. So speaking of which too as well, I do have the parts aerodynamics. These are the OEM original Nissan. Came off the factory itself, and that is the side skirt of the KOUKI Type X, and also this is the rear valance for the KOUKI Type X as well. Got pretty lucky with this one when I picked it up. This is really hard to come by. Second of all, that one too as well. I think they still sell those, but you know, not from the factory itself, but you'll find one of the used ones. So as you can see, although it's kind of sunny, but it's super cold here in Washington, I had to put like plastic cover on them. And let me just get this thing out really fast. It's nice for me to have that because it rains and I get some like water drops here too as well. So it's the shot that is so ghetto right now. So I had to focus on getting this all cleaned up. It was super junk before, but now I'm so happy how this thing turned out. Although I need to do some more renovating. When it gets warm, it's something that I look forward to and working on. But other than that, today I'm going to be doing some pre-fitting on the OEM kit. It's weird because the story of this, like I got this from Cali, right? this car is from like Van Nuys or something. And I still even have the old, the old plate. Well, the actual, this right here, Moon Nissan. If you guys know Moon Nissan, I guess that's a dealership right there. There where the car was from. So when I took off the old plate, the rear plate, this one was still on there behind the plate. Remember the seats that I have that's on the storage at our house?
Yeah.
Those are yours. So it's gonna be nice. So it's gonna be yours. So
Yes!
I took all your bank savings to buy that.
Even my college money?
Yeah.
Daddy, I need that for my college.
I'm just kidding, dude. So all right, so let's go and talk about this more. I am working on the blitz wheels right now. I'm trying to save some money by cutting piece by piece on the barrel. I'm trying to save the old barrels. So these are original, never been cut. Like this guy right here, there's the stock wheels right here. They're officially welded when I got them, so I had to cut them up. So right now I have one that's already been cut that I've done. I got this a long time ago and it was super headache, like big headache just to buy this thing. I mean, it's not to buy this thing, just to get it over here to the stateside. So but yeah, so far I got this this wheel barrel here done already. These are brand new. That's brand new. The lip on this one is brand new. I wanted to save the rear barrel, save some money by cutting up this rear barrel right here. And right now I got one done already, so I just need a little bit of surfacing here and there, but it's already been done on that, so we're good on that. So I got one more to do. I think either one, or I think it's this one right here that needs to be done. So yep. And the rear, these are the rear. These are 18 by 10 and those are the fronts, 17 by 9. So what do you think, man? It's nice, huh?
Yes.
Looking good so far. Yeah, so I've been busy kind of working on this one on the side off the camera, but I thought I'd share it with you guys and let you guys know what's been going on. Here, I got some heater here for you. Being cool?
Yeah.
I think I like it. Yeah.
The insides are really shiny too.
Yeah, these are very old wheels, so hope you take care of them. All right, so I'm gonna work on trying to get this aerodynamics, all this OEM parts here pre-fitted, rear valence. It's gonna be like my first time doing that anyway, so I don't know how it's gonna look like. I know I'm gonna be drilling some holes, like a lot of this stuff right here. Anyways, thanks for you guys. Thanks for all you guys, the viewers out there, for supporting the channel. And I truly appreciate that, guys. So let's go. I apologize, guys, for the shitty fittings here, but this kind of gives me an idea of like how it's gonna sit and how it looks like, because I know I'm gonna be drilling some holes down here, two holes. You see that line right there? It kind of didn't line up as good as I expected, and remember, this is an OEM, so it should fit just fine. I mean, nothing done to the car. I mean, look at the seal. The fender has not even rolled at all. So yeah, so I do have the clips for this. I just didn't bring it with me. So, but I'm just gonna test it out anyway. So just having the tape on there, the shitty work on my tape right here, kind of gives me an idea already of how it's gonna look and how it's gonna sit. So whatever I need to work on. So I'm having little bit of a issue here, so this is a big gap, but you kind of get the idea. I do want to line it up even more, as much as I can, with like that area. So to see the curving here, it should be just right on there, just like that. So maybe this one is a little bit high from what I'm seeing, so Maybe it needs to go a little bit lower. But as soon as I get the bottom of the car all drilled up here, so we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the sides too as well on the well. So I just need to make sure I get all the measurements correct, and it should be fine. Damn, that thing looks good though. I don't know, I'm liking these, man. I can't wait. That looks clean, guys. And I do have the bumper extender on that too as well, so I should actually put that on. So one thing I want to tell you guys, like, it's super weird, like how right out of the factory they are already painted KH3 black. So it's so weird, right? And yeah, and this is the only part that's actually painted, right? So I don't know if you guys know the answer to that. I mean, I'm kind of wondering why they have it like that way. I never really got the answer for that, but that's yeah, this is pretty much brand new. And also, I'm not gonna put the bracket, although I had the bracket for the extension. So, but I'm not gonna put that on. I'm gonna just try to tape it up. Hopefully it doesn't drop. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, guys, so I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad about this. I mean, it's like, I know it's neat to just a little play on there on the fender, between the fender and the bumper itself, but pretty much it flushes, so not too bad. It's a little work. So let me tell you guys about this rear valance here. This was actually completely like cracked. Like this part right here is chipped. Like nothing exists there. Like nothing. So I had to do some plastic welding on there and actually make it match to the other side of the valance. And look how that turned out. Pretty good, right? So it's like, this was nothing. Like literally it was gone. That thing is all gone. But that thing is on there, man. It's nice and clean now. Let me show you guys a little bit of the back. That's the weld work right there. Kind of shitty, but it's good. And so now this is the actual side of this one. This is the passenger side. This one's completely cracked. Like it's like gaps, like gap space right there in between. So I had to fill this one into as well by welding the plastic onto this panel. That too had like cracked in there too as well. But everything else is fine. All the brackets are attached, so that's a plus for me. And that's what it looks like from behind. It's not too bad, not too bad. And let's go ahead and try to fit this. Let's see. Look at that. It's on there, minus the rear bumper. So, but I'm liking this. I'm pretty excited just getting this thing on. You know what, guys? F it, let's do it, guys. I already put on the tape right there. Might as well put the last piece on real quick. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, it's on. Oh my gosh. So many tapes right now, but it's all in there. Nice and lined up. That's what she looks like right now with the Type X front lip. To be honest, I don't think this is like the correct fit, but just kind of give you that perspective of how it should look like with the lip on. It took me long years to find most of these parts. This thing looks amazing, guys. Just, I don't know, just seeing it in real, like, you know, just seeing this in real life, it's like, wow. Makes me more motivated and just to get this project done. I know it's been a long time for this to happen, but it's gonna happen soon, guys. It's gonna happen next year for sure. So it's just look forward to this, guys. This build is gonna be super clean. I'm not even dang. Oh my gosh. All right, I gotta do some B-roll, guys. Let's go ahead and do this.